Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can skip practice in F1 24. So once we go to the computer over here, if you want to skip the next practice, so in my case it is the second practice, then all I need to do is simply choose go to next session, and then I can choose go to quick practice. After that we should be able to select a practice program to attempt, so if you want to do that then go ahead. And once you are done with that, you can end the session, so press B on Xbox or circle on PlayStation or escape on your keyboard. And after that we will skip just one practice, so we will move to the next step. And there we go. Now as you can see I am in practice 3. In your case you might be, for instance, in practice 2 if you skipped practice 1. However, if you want to skip multiple sessions at once, then you can do that by selecting where you want to go to. So let's say if you want to skip the whole practice, all 3 practices, then you can go to qualifying, and then you have the option skip 2. So you can confirm this option and then you will skip all of these, and even if you select it, then you will see the warning information that starting qualifying will skip practice. In my case it is practice 3, in your case it could be also practice 2 and practice 1, and you can also skip the qualifying as well and go to race immediately by skipping everything before that. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!